Hey, Peter Parker. Thanks for not hurting our baby. And thanks for being a good mama after all. Baby, get it together, okay?
There he is. His ears are getting kind of big.
Mm-hmm.
Could you please hold him?
Mm-hmm.
Can he open his eyes yet?
Not yet.
Why can't they open their eyes? That's kind of weird.
They don't need to see. All they need to do is stay warm and safe and eat. And that's great that he's wiggling around. Starting to look hungry, huh? Maybe we'll get a good feed in soon.